Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys tuning in again. Today we have another E36 video and we are fitting a rear strut brace. Fairly simple one, nothing too fancy. This one here is from DriftShop in France. Looks like a solid enough piece. Welds they look okay, and should be an easy enough one to fit as well. So we'll do that today. And I just want to thank you guys again for subscribing to the channel. And if you haven't, then please do. It really shows that we are doing the things right that you want to see. And if you have any comments at all, just please put them down below. Let me know what you think and what you want to see. Are we improving? Are we not? But we're so close to our 3,000 subscribers now, which is massive. And yeah, so look, we have the rear one that we want to fit today. I wanted to have a front one as well from Dustin Strut Works, but the Irish Customs, like I said in the last video, they are a tough crowd to deal with. They are very particular around their tariff codes and all that kind of import stuff here in Ireland. We did try to get a strut brace through twice now, and they sent it back every time. But me and Dustin, we are kind of working together to see can we get something done there, so you guys in Ireland as well can actually avail of those strut braces. They're a great piece of product. He's a lovely guy to deal with as well. So just hold out, and we'll in my next video, if we know we can get them through, I'll let you know. We'll fit that strut brace whenever the time comes, and yeah, we'll just have to wait and see. So we get cracking with this. Right, let's do it. We'll just line her up to see is the right one. So that should be a nice little addition. We'll just get those two nuts, 13 mils, loosened out, and we'll see how we get on with that. We might actually have to jack the car up to take the strain off it. Let's see if that helps. Yeah, that did the job. Yeah, so we have to jack the car up a bit just to take the strain off. You can see it there. There, that's lining up now. If it'll focus. So we'll do that. And we'll let her down gently. Bit of an issue. There is an Allen dome head at the bottom of each of these, and that has now spun off, so I'm going to have to see if I can get it, if I can hold it and tighten it at the same time. And I lost all my audio to the video, but the bar is in. Nice little fit, simple, but it will do the job for now. These are the dome heads that I was on about earlier on that spun out. So just to be aware, if you have similar style top mount, you just have to get an Allen key in or stud lock those bolts just to save that hassle. I had to go for the reach around for this one with the ratchet, but it was easy enough. So it looks pretty good. If you guys really enjoyed this video, do subscribe and comment down below, and we will hopefully see you in the next one for another little upgrade. So thanks for joining again. Bye.